Before we get into this video, I want to send a special shout out to Havelock. I appreciate you for contributing to this channel and helping it to grow. There's a lot of lessons to learn from this video, so we won't waste any time. Let's go ahead and get into it.
Hey Trina, what's up Trina? Say hi to, give me a phone. Say hi Trina to everybody. Say hey girl, how you doing today?
I'm blessed. How are you?
Amazing, girl. I woke up fired up this morning, girl.
You're glowing.
Thank you. You are too, girl. Your skin is amazing. What up, Trick? What up, TWD? What's up, Trick? What's going on, TWD? What's going on? Trina, that ring is everything. I love that ring.
I'm trying to get him to meditate. Thank you. Oh, I had a big night last night.
You got engaged?
Last night.
What?
Yeah. I'm still like, I don't believe I'm even at work right now.
You got engaged last night?
Yes. Oh my God. It was a long story. So it was a long story.
Congratulations, girl. You kidding me, girl? Yes, girl. You is lying, girl. You got engaged. That ring is everything, though.
Oh my God.
One time for the rock, girl. Can you show? Oh, we got to talk about it. Little talk, bitch. Let me see that ring. Show them that ring. Show them that ring. Show that ring. Ooh! Yes, girl. You better say it. Girl, I cannot wait till this wear it, girl. Y'all, let's drop some hearts. Congratulations, Trina. Yes, girl. I love you, girl. I cannot wait to hang out with you. Serve, Miss Thing, girl. Congratulations, man. I know you're so happy, man. You said you love that man and that was gonna be your husband, girl. I'm gonna start saying, I'm gonna give me a husband. I'm gonna give me one. Love you, sis. Congratulations on everything. Okay, wow. Yay!
Congratulations to Miami rapper Trina. That right there was just a clip from the Instagram show Candid Conversations, hosted by the millionaire coach herself, Stormy Wellington. Trina revealed that her boyfriend proposed to her and showed off her massive engagement ring. Her boyfriend's name is Ray. They've been dating for 5 years and he's also appeared on the reality show with Trina, Love and Hip Hop Miami. Raymond is a former college basketball player and he's an up-and-coming rapper from the city of Miami. Ray met Trina when he was 25 years old, and now he's about 30. But Trina, she'll be 47 in December, so it's a big age gap. Which brings me to this question. Is this a viable plan for all the bad chicks and the boss chicks as they get older? Let me know your answer to that below in the comments. Take a second for me and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. If not, you're going to want to go ahead and do that. Make sure you leave a comment below, include new subscriber, and I'm going to try my best to get to all of you. Trina, just like Stormy Wellington, came up in a strip club, and back in their day, it was like a secret. But you know, today in 2021, the new girls, they may be doing the same thing, but they have absolutely no shame. What Trina and Stormy, they used to have to hide to do back in the day, well, we live in a society now where that is normal behavior that you can find anywhere on Instagram, social media, everywhere. And honestly, I think it's much worse now because kids and everybody else can just go online and see this type of activity. Before, you would have to go to a controlled environment, and back in their day, you would still get shamed for that. But not so much now, and that's the problem. You see, women like this back in their prime, you had to be a baller to mess with them. I'm talking about a D-boy, athlete, or a rapper. They would not mess with you if you didn't have any money, and you had to be getting fast money, which is why they always went to the D-boys. When Trina was younger, she was in a relationship with Trick Daddy's brother Hollywood, but his lifestyle, it led him to the grave pretty early, and then that's when Trick Daddy put her on. She was introduced to the world as a rapper in 1998 on Trick Daddy's single Nan, and it's no secret or anything, but the woman that Trick Daddy married is Trina's cousin. She and her cousin, they're like sisters. Her cousin is also on Love and Hip Hop as well. And back in her heyday, Trina was very popular with the men. She had a lot of situationships or flings with high-profile rappers, producers, people like Juvenile, Baby, Ludacris, before publicly dating rapper Lil Wayne. But when she met NBA player Kenyon Martin, she dropped everybody. And that's because at the time, Kenyon was making a lot of money from the NBA. Kenyon was supposed to marry Trina, but they never made it to that. And when he broke up with her, we found out why. According to Kenyon, Trina had serious anger issues, and she would even put pause on him when she got upset. He told the public that he let it slide 2 times, but the third and final straw was when she put pause on him, threatened to take him out, and she also told him that she was gonna Lisa Left Eye Lopez the house down. And I'm talking about Left Eye from TLC, meaning burning down the house. Side note, do you see how the media and the record labels back then, they capitalized off of Lisa Left Eye's bad behavior? This is what she did to the Atlanta mansion of her then fiance, NFL player Andre Rison. And you wonder why the women of 2021 can't be held accountable. This kind of stuff started a long time ago. The record label used this to sell records. The media used it to sell magazines because back then Vibe was a really big deal. There wasn't internet or smartphones to get this kind of news from. And the problem is, it was all made into like a little joke, like she really didn't do any damage. So where do you think rapper Trina got that idea from? This was promoted to women on television, in movies, magazines, all over. I'm talking before the days of the high-speed internet, blogs, and YouTube. Back to Trina and Kenyon. Kenyon never did anything back to Trina. And he said that he never had the urge to put pause on a woman. But that third time when Trina did that to him, he said he almost snapped and he recognized that would ruin his whole life, his whole career. So he broke things off with Trina. Now that's the truth that none of these people will ever say. That is why Kenyon Martin did not marry Trina. Trina is a short woman. She's 5'2". Kenyon Martin, 6'6". Do you know if he had done to her what she did to him, what would have happened to him? But do you also know the people that know about this story, what they said when they found out about this? They dismissed it because they said he was a basketball player and assumed that he was cheating on her. And that's what they used to justify Trina's actions. And then no one ever said anything about this because back then you didn't have platforms that will hold women accountable. The baddest chick, the boss chick, all of that is feminism. They're promoting to women that you don't need a man, you can do it all by yourself, and even making these women think they're in a competition with men. Miss Shekinah Joe, who said that all women are 10s, and she believes she's empowering women when she tells them they don't need a man. But guess what? Deep down inside, Shekinah Joe, she would love to have a man. She posted a picture of an older couple on vacation, and she wrote this: God, please send me this type of love. It's time. I just want to feel real love. That's what she said. Shekinah don't want to be single. It's just her mouth is keeping her single. Her attitude. So when they tell you they don't want a man, they don't need a man, they are lying. It's in a woman's nature. And if they can keep this up, they'll be able to keep women single so they'll have company when they end up single. All they do is sabotage your so-called friends. But the truth is they all want a man. People like Shekinah, she's just upset that she's unable to attract the kind of man that she wants. That goes for Coach Stormy too. Did you see her reaction and what she said when Trina revealed that she was engaged? Take a look at this.
You said you love that man and that was gonna be your husband, girl. I'm gonna start saying I'm gonna get me a husband. I'm gonna get me one. Love you, sis. Congratulations on everything. Okay, wow. Yay! Girls can get husbands. I'm gonna get me one. Forget that. Dead. Who ready for Coach? I'm getting me a husband. 2. That ring is everything. Hey, wow. I ain't gonna lie. Girls, mastermind. She said she wanted to marry him. She said that she loves him. You know what? It don't matter what person. It don't matter what a person's opinion is about your person. They don't know what your person do for you. For real, for real. They don't know what your person do for you. Okay. And Mama said that she wanted to marry this man. Then you can see the happiness in her face though.
One difference between Trina, Shekinah, and Coach Stormy is that Stormy, she's been married before. She was able to get a preacher to wife her up. But she believed that her marriage was too basic, her life was too boring, and she divorced him. She decided she wanted to get money instead. And even in the past videos, you saw where Stormy said she wasn't interested in having a man. But when she saw Trina, who's really happy about her situation right now, she was thinking, I gotta get a husband too. She said, girls is out here getting husbands. I gotta get a husband too. And they talk about it like they could just go pick up men from the grocery store or order him online. And then she also said that she can get 2 husbands. You see how they're trying to change around traditional marriage? Even in cultures where it's okay to have multiple wives. Since when do you ever hear of women having multiple husbands? And I also heard what she called Trina mama. I don't think she was doing it on purpose, but she knows that Trina is about 16 years older than her fiance. Also, let me tell you what they have in common. Bad attitudes, slick tongues, and this is why they can't submit to men. Instead, they're looking for men who's gonna submit to them. So they're like, hey, I need to get one of those. One that I can boss around and tell him what to do, and so that she can wear the pants in the relationship. They all put money and careers over having a family. But now that they're between 40 and 50 years old, that's when they realize what's really important. You know, one thing about Trina though, if she was willing to get with an everyday guy, she could have been wifed up 20 years ago. Is this the new strategy for the older women? Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. Shout out to Dark Power, Darren, Dreezy Jack, Michael W, Havelock, and Joseph F. Thank you all for your support for this channel. Want to see more content like this? You can support this channel as well. You can find the links to the Cash App and PayPal below. Ladies, fellas, want a balanced analysis, want the truth from a woman's perspective? Then you're going to want to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like and share.